Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to turn off offensive or scam messages in the Instagram app so you can keep your inbox clean and safe. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and in the search bar, type Instagram. Make sure that the Instagram app is updated to the latest version, because if you are using an old version, some options might not appear. Once the app is fully updated, simply open it. Now, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the three white lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. From here, scroll down and find the option called Messages and Replies, and tap on it. Then go to Message Requests. Here, scroll down a little and you will see the option Hide Unwanted Messages. Turn this on, and Instagram will automatically filter and hide offensive, spam, and scam messages so they don't disturb you. So that's it for this video. This is how you can easily block or hide unwanted and scam messages on Instagram. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And until next time, see you soon.